front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply app layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and select Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, select while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using, allow. Then click on Home button. Now you need to access Settings and tap on Apps section over here. Then select Default Apps and click on Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, just click on it and tap on Got it. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my REALME. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps, Default Apps and Home app. If you wish to go back into your system launcher, just click on it. In order to switch to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!